In this video, I'll show you how to remove pop-up ads on Samsung phone. Pop-ups usually come from malicious apps or websites that trick you into enabling push notifications. To stop this, first check your recently installed apps. If you notice pop-ups after installing one, that app is the culprit. Uninstall it right away. If the pop-up appears in your notification bar, long press it, and then from the options that appears, click on the settings. Once you are in the settings, from there, click on the app icon at the top. Once you click on it, you will be prompted to this screen. From there, you can uninstall it by clicking on the uninstall button at the bottom. For pop-ups from websites, simply open Chrome on your mobile. Once you're in the Chrome web browser, tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner, and then from the menu, click on the settings. Once you're in the Chrome web browser settings, scroll down until you find site settings. Once you find it, click on it, and then from there, select the notifications option. And in the notification settings, select the option that says collapse unwanted requests. Once you select it, your problem will be solved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.